Hi everyone. This video is about the unions. Unions are like arrays. Arrays can contain same type of elements under one single name, but union can also contain elements under one single name, but it can contain different type of elements. It can also contain same type of elements, and it can also contain different type of element. It means that a single union under one single name can hold integer, character, float or double type of members, and can also contain arrays of these types like integer array, character array, float array or double array. In the videos of structure, we have explained the structure are very much similar to these structure, very much similar to arrays. Unions are very much similar to structures because they both have same things. They both can contain different types of data, different types of element, different types of member. But what is the difference between structure and unions? Structure have multiple locations of memory, but union has only one single location for memory. It means that structure at one time can hold multiple type of data, but at one time union can hold only one single type of value, one single type of data. Now let's move to code, then you will get more familiar with it. So first we'll cover that how do we declare union, how do we declare union template. So this is the selected area is the union template. Union is a keyword by which we can declare union. Then union tag is an identifier. You can give any name to tag. These are the three different types of members which we have given to give it, which we have declared inside union. This is integer a, this is also the type of integer, and this is a character. After that, as same of these structures, we will declare the union variable. The union tag, these tag and this tag should be same. This is an identifier, you can name it any according to the identifier rule, and this is the variable of the union. This is also the same as we declare structure variable. This is also an identifier, you can name it any according to the identifier rules. This is how I'm giving a value of union to a variable integer a by the union variable. Remember that we have declared initializer list in structure. We have given all the three values of the values to all the three members together, but that will not work in union because union has a single memory location. It cannot hold three values together. So this is how I'm giving a value to the integer member a by the union variable, and in these three lines I have printed three different variables a, b and c. Now let me just compile it and run it. Just see these lines. A is equal to 65 because I have given a is equal to 65. This b is equal to 65 because I have given a is equal to 65, and I have told that union is a single memory location. Union cannot hold multiple values together, so a value assigned to any single variable is also assigned to every other variable, every other member of union. C is equal to capital A because 65 is the ASCII value of character capital A. That's why we have presented the percentage D, so it is showing us the character. Now let me just close it and explain you the other three parts. Here I have given variable dot b, the value to b variable, which is 97. So let me just compile it and run it. Now you can see that I have printed a and it is giving 97. It has demolished the 65 value. It has destroyed the 65 value which was assigned it to before we have declared this, because it can only contain the single value. Now a is equal to 97, b is equal to 97, and c is equal to small a because 97 is the ASCII value of small a. This is the whole ASCII chart. So every character has an one ASCII value. Capital A is 65 and small a is 97, so that's why they are printing this. Suppose if I change here percentage D and percentage D, you can see that it will be printing 65 and 97. Let me just compile it and run it. You can see that now C is equal to 65 and C is equal to 97 over here because we have changed it. So this is the difference between the structure and union. Both can contain the same type of elements, the different type of elements, but structure has multiple memory location, it can hold multiple values together, and union is a single memory location. You change one value, it will change every other value by itself. There is another method of declaring the union variable. You can declare it here, as we have told you also in structure, and now we do not need this. So let me just compile and run this. See, it's working the same. So this is the another method by which you can declare union member. And as I have told you that a union can have multiple variables, so let me just do it for you. You'll just do it in the main, and I'll just copy this line and paste it in other and name this variable 2. So variable 1 is one variable of union, and variable 2 is another variable of union, and I'll change this value to variable 2. Now this has one value for all the variables, and this has one different value for all these three. Let me just compile it and do it over here. Variable 2. See that I have changed these two, variable 2 and variable 2, but I do not have changed this variable 1. So let me just compile it and run it. I'll explain you the output. Okay. You can see that here variable a1 is equal to 65, a is equal to 65, b is equal to 65, and c is equal to 65. See that a is equal to 97 because I have assigned b is equal to 97. It can contain only one single value. There b is equal to 97, but c is equal to 65 because I have printed it with the variable 1. So by this way you can have multiple values for all the variables, because it is single memory location but can have multiple variables. Now when I have changed it to variable 2, the value is 97. So this is all about the union. Next video you will study about the files. Thank you.